from the start. You might be the guy who'll break my heart.
Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing with you a quick Costco haul. Adam and I went to Costco this afternoon and I did not think that I was going to have enough to share a haul video, but here we are $375 later. So we did not get anything perishable today because we had dinner reservations right after we were done. And so anything that we bought had to be able to sit in the car for a couple of hours while it's still a little bit hot outside. So I couldn't get any produce or refrigerated items or anything like that. So we did get a couple of food items and mostly household and other stuff. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so I have everything laid out on the island here. Just toilet paper over there on the floor. So I did get some tortilla chips. We were running low in the pantry. I don't know if we can really eat this whole bag before they go stale. Maybe, I'm not sure. But I got a bag of those. They're a pretty good price. And then if you have not tried the Kirkland, the organic salsa, it's really, really good. They also have really good refrigerated salsa, but this just is in like the aisle section with the other condiments, and I would recommend it if you haven't tried it. It's really good salsa. I also got some Starbucks K-Cups. Normally I get the Pike Place is what I normally like to get, but this was on sale and it was like $29.99, so I decided to go with this Cafe Verona. It's the dark roast, which is fine. I like that too. This is something new, at least at my Costco, or I haven't seen it there. This is Sonoma Creamery Savory Seed Baked Cheese Topper. So it's basically just like those Parmesan cheese crisps, except it also has pumpkin and sunflower seeds on it. I did open it and just try one just so I could tell you guys how it was, and it's good. It does taste like those Parmesan cheese crisps with obviously seeds on top. So it says the serving size is 20 pieces. I don't know that someone would eat that many, but if you did, it's only 150 calories and 8 grams of net carbs, so that's that. I got some organic extra, I said organic. I got some organic extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah, much better than that. Motor oil.
We better not. You can't say that.
Okay. Just go back and delete it.
Okay. I did get some olive oil. I do like to get my olive oil from Costco just because it's a good price, and I have one of like the glass sort of like Rachel Ray ceramic, what do you call it, olive oil dispenser that I pour this into and keep it by the sink. So it's actually probably the best price, and I like to get it when I go there. Adam got these Spanish olives, so they're just like the green pimento stuffed olives. 2 jars of those come together. He got some disposable razors, some deodorant. I did pick up some more paper plates. I'm almost out of the ones that I got there last time I went. I haven't been to Costco in a couple months actually, and these are like the bigger plates, which I'm not that wild about, especially for the kids. They don't really need them to be this big, but these were on sale and they were cheaper than the smaller ones, so I went ahead and got those. They had these goggles, and I went ahead and got the adult ones because the kids ones said from ages like 3 to 8, and Connor's gonna be 7 and Kira's 10, and I just didn't think they looked big enough for them, so I just got the adult ones. These were 3 in a package for like $15.99, which is a really good price, especially when the kids are always losing their goggles in the summer. So I got those. I got Connor just a plain gray Adidas shirt. And then Kira was talking the other day about thermo flask, and she's like, everyone has a thermo flask, and insinuated that she needed to have a thermo flask as well. I don't really know what's special about them. I don't have one, but I think it just keeps drinks cold or keeps water cold. So this was on sale for, I want to say like $15.99, and so I just went ahead and got one. There's 2 in here, so both the kids can each have one. This is my favorite dishwasher detergent, and I usually get it at Costco. It's the Finish tabs, and you get 125 tabs, and I want to say this is around $16, I think. I can't remember, but it does last a long time. We also like to get our kitchen trash bags from Costco, and we're almost out of the one box that we have under the sink now. These actually last, this box lasts a really long time. There's 200 bags in there. So I picked that up, and then Adam also got some sugar-free Red Bull. We were kind of figuring out the cost of this versus like the cost of the Bang energy drinks. And these are smaller cans, but they're cheaper. These come out to like $1.49 a can at Costco, and the Bang is like $2 a can. I did get some Gain detergent, so I am not really picky about detergent. Usually I either get the Persil or Tide. I did buy Gain for a long time. When I was using the powder detergent, I always like to get the Gain powder detergent. But anyway, I just got this because it was on sale at Costco and I was out and I needed some. We got Murphy some of these dentist sticks. So we just like to keep these in the pantry and give them to him as treats. Okay, so I have never tried this before. You guys will have to tell me if you like it. I did kind of take the top off when we got home so I could smell it, and it smells good. This is the Nexus Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner. So this was $10 off. It's normally $30 and they had it on sale for $20, and these are like pretty huge bottles. And I have long hair, so when I wash my hair and condition it, which I do wash my hair every day. I know people are like, oh, you're not supposed to do that, but I have to. I wash my hair every day and I use a lot of shampoo and conditioner, so I thought I would give this a try. If it works well, then I'll continue to buy it at Costco, obviously, since it's a really good price. Okay, this was sort of an impulse buy. So we saw these huge glass jugs of tequila silver. So I think that this is probably comparable to like the Jose Cuervo silver tequila. You can let me know if you have any facts on that, but this was like 1.75 liters for, I don't know, like $16.99 or something like that. And then they also had this margarita mixer. This is the kind without the alcohol, and they had this for like $6. And so we decided to get this because, you know, why not? So we'll keep that in the liquor cabinet. And then I got some Bounty paper towels. So the only other paper towels that I really like are the Aldi paper towels. And the only downfall with those is that, I mean, obviously you could buy 2 6-packs, but this comes in a larger package. I haven't compared the price. These were on sale. I want to say they were around like $13 for the whole 12-pack, which is a pretty good price, and they're the Selecta size. So I got those, and the only other thing we got is some Charmin toilet paper, just to stock up on that, because I always try to stock up on toilet paper when I go to Costco. So that's it for this Costco haul. Kind of short, not super exciting, not a lot of food stuff. But next time I go, I will probably obviously stock up on more of the perishable frozen food items. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.